I wish I would have known 31 years ago that I could purchase a house and it cost me less than $1,000 out of pocket. That's why I do these videos, to help people. I'm a big believer in you learn it, you master it, and you teach it. Through USDA, the United States Department of Agriculture, they guarantee these loans in suburban rural areas. Now, you can't be in the major metropolitan areas, and you can't make an excessive amount of income, typically between 1 and 4 in your household. You're a single person or you're married with 2 children, it's around 112,000. If you're 5 or more in your household, you're limited to around 150,000. However, it's going to vary. You can go to USDA.gov, you can poke around there, and it's going to show you where these homes are, the income limit. You have to know this, it's not so much specific homes, it's in specific locations. Now, when you purchase one of these houses, it has to be your personal residence. FHA has to be your personal residence. USDA has to be your personal residence. You sign an affidavit, it basically says you're going to live in that home. Now, the downside of these USDA loans is you do have to pay PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. It's not crazy expensive. However, it's always there and it never comes off. The only way to get it removed is to physically refinance the property. The good news is you can buy a house and you don't need a whole lot of cash.
And you don't. You can buy a home with sometimes zero down if you get the seller to pay the closing costs associated with the loan. And these USDA loans operate just like my favorite loan, a VA loan. So 0% down, no money required as far as down payment, and the interest rates are much lower than a conventional rate, so you don't actually get hit that hard on what he was talking about with PMI, because your interest rate is just naturally lower than a normal conventional loan. Send me a DM if you have any questions.